how to set automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you're planning to take a leave or are out of the office and want to set automatic replies to your email, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Outlook and then go to the File option in the top left and then head over to Settings. Now tap on Accounts and then tap on Automatic Replies. Now just toggle this on and you can tick Send Replies only during a time period and then set the start time and the end time of your leave. And once you're done, scroll down and you can customize the message from here. So you can type whatever you want to, and then whoever sends you a mail during the time, they will get this automatic reply. And you just need to hit save. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.